In this segment, we're talking about call recording. Call recording is a much desired feature for many businesses, while a requirement for others. Call recording can fulfill legal requirements for many business sectors while being a very useful tool in quality control for others. It can even be helpful just to go back and reference the information discussed in a sales call, for example. So Switchvox offers two methods of call recording, scheduled and on-demand. While scheduled recording is conditionally set by an admin to automatically record calls, on-demand is user-initiated from a phone or app within Switchvox. So let's navigate over to the Tools menu, where we'll find Call Recording under the PBX Features submenu, and you'll join me here on this page. The preset user-initiated recordings is used for on-demand recording by the system. And to allow users to record calls on demand, the record own calls permission must be set to yes in their extension permissions under use calling features. So by default, again, we've got all extensions, and we can take a look at what this entails. So we've got minimum options available on the system default here. So let's go back and set up our own recording options here. We're going to set up a scheduled recording of all calls made by user 200 by clicking Create Call Recording. We'll call it Quality Control. And Switchvox has three recording type options, so phone extensions, call queues, and extension groups. And that's pretty self-explanatory, and depending on what you want to be recording for this particular initiative. So we're going to choose the phone extension of 200. Under the types of calls to record, we're going to enable outgoing and incoming except call queues. We can set the amount of calls to record by way of next X calls or a date and time. So by default, the next 10 calls, and then we can also set that date here. We'll configure our archive settings next. So keep forever, delete calls after X amount of calls, and backup and delete if we've got our FTP server set up for the backup. And then we've got the minimum recording length. This is usually set to 5 seconds, so any call above and beyond 5 seconds will be recorded. Click save and we're ready to go. Now let's go ahead and simulate a recorded call. Hi, this is Matt. I'm just doing a recording for the Switchvox demo. No need to call back, thanks. Now we can head over to the Recorded Calls tab. And we've got a few recordings here we should be able to play and listen. Let's save that to local. And our user initiated. Same process, save to local.
Hi, this is Matt. Just doing a recording for the Switchvox demo. No need to call back, thanks.
So all is well with our recording configuration. Remember, certain recording configurations have a limit to how long they live on the system, and recordings can be disk space intensive. So Switchvox allows you to send recordings offsite via FTP with a configurable backup schedule using the call recording settings. So you're going to want to use this again to cut down on disk space on the Switchvox, as well as keep those archived offsite where they're going to be safe and sound. And you can do that with the call recording settings button here, and that's going to take you to the FTP configuration settings and also your sync schedule once a day or throughout the day, and then the time as well. You can also initiate call recording from handsets themselves or from places like the switchboard, and that can be done by users themselves or initiated by admins through some sort of widget, template, etc. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.